Sofia's Favorites. My name is Sophia, if you guys are new here, and today I'm going to be going hiking on the mountains. But before we get started, make sure to turn the notification bell, like this video, and hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And now, let's get this thing started.
Yeah.
Where?
We have a bush there. We'll probably stand it here. It comes out from behind it.
It looks like a bobcat.
It's a coyote. Yeah, I think a bobcat.
Ooh,
Little squirrel.
Now we are in the Sonoran Preserve hiking trail right here. So a cool part, and I'm gonna enter the picture right here. And look what we found. We found grandma. And now we're gonna go somewhere else, and I don't know where we're gonna go. Now we are climbing up the mountains, but we're not on the mountains yet. But we're climbing up.
This sort of got worse thing right in here, don't you think, Dana? You have to watch where your feet.
And we also got these sticks for when we climb up tall hills, like this one right here. They are part of the Sonoran Mountain. And B! But yeah, there's a bee. Now we are going to take a walk through the wash to get to the other side. Let me take my stick. Whoa. This is really steep. Okay, now we stopped with the seat part, so now we're going up really high. So I don't know where, but all I know is we're going up really high and my legs hurt. Now we are surrounded by teddy bear cellos, which are scary. They're really scary. They look creepy. Guess they're called teddy bear cellos because they look soft and fuzzy like a teddy bear, I guess. But it's still weird and creepy. Now we have really tall cactuses on the mountains up there and right here. We're surrounded by teddy cellos and tall cactus. Cello here that looks like a dead snake, but it's actually a dead cello. And we got the cactuses with the arms on them. We're are going to go to the Dixie Mountain Loop. I hope you enjoyed this video of hiking on the mountains. I really did. And I'll see you in the next video. But don't forget to turn on the notification bell, like this video, and hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And see you guys next time. Bye!